I'm Aaron Tucker. I'm an assistant professor in the English department at Memorial University of Newfoundland and Labrador. I'm particularly interested in my research because facial recognition, artificial intelligence require urgent attention, in large part because it's embedded in the everyday lives of citizens and is most harmful to those that are most vulnerable. So I think that it's essential that we create sort of an advanced public literacy, that we're doing scholarship and creative work that's public facing, that makes these technologies legible and understandable across a wide range of audiences. In my classroom, in St. John's, in Newfoundland and Labrador, out towards Canada. So my goal is eventually, kind of like that pebble in a pond, to ripple outwards towards that national level, building these sorts of complex literacies around these really complex technologies. So I research Canadian artificial intelligence, in particular deep learning and artificial neural networks. I started by researching facial recognition technology, hacking and building them, and as I did that, I started to become more interested in the artificial intelligence embedded within computer vision, which led me to things like deepfakes, generative AI, what I'm now researching in frontier AI and artificial general intelligence. And so I'm doing both a history and research creation or creative work, looking at the ways we might imagine AI differently. So I've been really fortunate to work with a variety of mentors, Dr. Janine Marchessault, Dr. Beth Coleman, Dr. Wendy Chun, that are not only really excellent scholars and thinkers, but exceptional mentors and community builders, that they really encourage the next generation of thinkers and students to produce work, creative work, scholarly work, that is contemporary and in the face of what I think are kind of harmful actions around artificial intelligence in ways that are both practical but also kind of imaginative and are pushing the boundaries of what is possible in reaction to the things that often make them very joyful but also upset them and the things in the world they want to see change. I would say I'm motivated by the people who have supported me, and I want to be able to kind of do right by them. I think about my parents and again this sort of web of people that have supported me for the last 2 decades. And then I think again about sort of what real world action my research can have in terms of literacy and in terms of parsing all the different types of artificial intelligence, what they mean in particular specific acts in the everyday of everyday lives, and thinking through how we can start to regulate and advocate for the harms, against the harms of the people that are probably most affected by these things.